Hello everyone. My name is Viola Kataria, and I'm putting up in Gurgaon. And I'm educationally MSc B.Ed, and I have done M.Ed as my post graduation. I decided to start my career in digital marketing once I got a click from my husband that you should go for digital marketing so that we can build up our own real estate business later. So the basic knowledge I wanted to get from of digital marketing. Um, I came to know about Digital Vidya from Google when I got this idea of doing digital marketing course. I started searching the things on Google, and I went through many institutions, for getting this certification. But I found Digital Vidya the best one in terms of everything, the courses they were offering, and of course the packages they were giving. Of course, the course fee was also one of the criteria with me. So that was nominal if I have to compare it with the other institutions in the available. So that is the reason I have chosen Digital Vidya for learning digital marketing. For me, the entire course went very smoothly. It was a 6 months, 4 months basically. This course was and was extended to 6 months for a reason that we were given more of the extra add-ons to the course later, which was revealed later during the course. And we were given good practice online and even offline uh, for this. And the entire course went on smoothly. If any, though our trainee was very supporting, but still apart from that, if you have to ask anything, we used to drop a mail to the support team, and they used to get in touch with us for any query we have, and it was sorted then itself. Now, after completion of the course of digital marketing, as I have already cleared my examination on that, I will definitely going to give a good input to my own business, which I have already started. But of course, I was taking it as because my I have just completed my certification, so definitely it will give me kind of a more confidence to give better inputs to my own business. If I have to rate Digital Vidya, I will rate it 10 on 10. And for a reason that for me as a family person, for me it went on very smoothly. So I think the students who are into their student age, so for them it will be really easy, so that if I can do it in so many things, taking out time for my course, so others can easily the students can easily take out time to complete that. For them, the things will be really smooth. Yes, I would definitely. I have already shared much about Digital Vidya, and definitely it is one of the very professional kind of courses they are offering, definitely, and a very professional attitude as well, which is actually required from any of the institution who are into education. And that's all. uh, my reviews, I have already shared a lot of reviews about Digital Vidya, so it is one of the best institution here. My experience was wonderful, and assignments were greatly given, case study questions and everything. I mean, they were so into depth that used to give better practice and the implementation of whatever was already taught in the classes. So those after taking the classes and doing those assignment used to make the concept lucid, and they were the better the input of whatever we have learned in the classes. It was a better application of that knowledge what we had gained into the assignment part. So my experience with in-house internship was also good, but I couldn't take the entire thing because of my own personal engagements here and there. Otherwise, the entire experience went on smoothly, and I'm really thankful to the entire team, and especially my trainee Charmi Vyas. She is a wonderful trainee, very supporting and very professional as well. She never used to, you know, she never used to I mean, she was so much into her own work. I mean, I must say, very professional. Thank you so much, the entire team, and that's all.